Can you think of ways that we can make our items feel personalized? Okay. This is a very important question because it can cost you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of success. There are several personalizations that I like, and none of them involves product customization. The first one that I like would be a personal thank you note after purchase. And this is something that you do, Cynthia, already. The second one that I like is to have a very personal customer service. So how personal it is up to you. You have to decide on service levels of your customer service. But what you can do, as an example, to be very personal, you can survey your clients for their birthday, names of their kids, and birthdays of their kids, maybe name of the spouse and birthday of the spouse, and the date of their anniversary. So these are the most important celebrations during the year. And then once you know those dates, you will be sending them congratulations emails on those days with little gifts, also special offers. So it's up to you whether you are sending them small gifts or you are sending them special offers for those days. But the most important is that you are thinking of them on those important days in their life, and that you are thinking of their children, and you're thinking of their husband, and of the important anniversary date. So this, for me, is a very personal customer service. Once you do that, you achieve way much more with that than a customization of a product by writing this person's name on the product, for example. So it is more, people value the relationship more than they value the product itself, or at least seeing themselves, their own name on the product. And the third, so we have two. One is a personal note after the purchase. Second one is personalized customer service. And the third one is, that I love a lot, is the creative membership, where you allow your clients to become co-creators of your product. So you are basically customizing the product based on the design of your client, but not for one client. You are customizing it for a lot of clients, and you are making it to a game, in a way, to a revenue amplifying game, and to customer satisfaction amplifying game, and customer engagement amplifying game. The common standard creative membership structure we are running is to have a continuity program where all the members are in your continuity program. So they are purchasing your product every quarter or bi-monthly or every month, depending on your setup. And because they are in your continuity program, they are allowed to submit their own prints for your product. Those prints are being voted for by your audience, and the prints that are voted up, that win the competition, so to speak, are implemented in your next product variation. This is a creative membership concept. At the moment that, of course, you produce her variation, this variation, the creator of the variation is also getting royalties from the sales of this variation. So what is happening here? In the first place, you are honoring your clients as co-creators. They are in your continuity program. You know that continuity programs are the best programs for a company. The revenues created by continuity programs, recurring revenues, are valued 2 to 3 times higher than a normal revenues from unsuspected sales, so to speak. And for every company, for every product owner, having a continuity program is a blessing, because you can predict, you have predictable revenues. So you have your clients in the continuity program as a thank you to them, so that they have this, so that they believe in you in their purchasing. your products over and over again, you are giving them the opportunity to co-create a product. At the moment that their product is launched with their own print and they're getting royalties, of course they want to bring as many as possible clients to buy this product for you. So basically with this program as well, you're creating a group of ambassadors of your brand. So this is the third way of customization I like. You basically customize the product, you made it more personal, but not in the way that we normally think how personalization works. And so as you have noticed, all these ways, they do not include personalization of a product on a level of a client. So at the moment that the client is purchasing your product, that you are putting something of this client on this product. So it does not involve that. And why not? We have an experience with, we've started our business with tailor-made designer clothing. So everything was personalized and customized. And personalization and customization is a fantastic thing. Of course, you have very good relationship with your clients, but it is absolutely not, but it is extremely difficult to scale. So it is more expensive in production and it is extremely difficult to scale. And your first product should not be that difficult for you. Your first product should be profitable and easy for you to scale. So I would never recommend to start with any personalized products as a first product. You can think about it once you are running very well and earning very well, but it should not, I would not even think about anything personalized until you have reached your 25 units per day on average in sales for one product and all its variations. And after that, of course, you can think about it, but watch out. The personalization is costly. It may seem very easy, but it is prone to a lot of mistakes. So what you are having with customization is that you have more time needed to produce one unit, so it becomes exponentially more expensive. On the top of that, more mistakes are being done, so you have more returns with those mistakes. And of course, when a product is customized, you cannot sell it to anybody else, so it's already, you have to write it off, cannot do anything with that. And on the top of that, when you want to sell more, the costs are going up exponentially and the mistakes are going up exponentially. This is why I suggest to do the personalization and customer service in your contact with your client, in those personal notes that you are sending to them, in your email strategy as well. And on the top of that, to add a creative membership program to your business that honors the members and allows them to become co-creators of your brand with their own creativity.